Hello students. In our previous session, we saw what is HTML, why HTML is used and its basic structure along with certain tags. So let me just take you through the basic structure once again. As discussed earlier, the basic structure of HTML begins with doc type HTML, which defines the document and the version of HTML. And a HTML document is always written between HTML, an opening tag, and a closing tag HTML with a forward slash inside it. Okay, and it contains a header section which has a title, okay, an opening title and a closing title. Okay, in between these tags, the document title is written. Okay, with this, the head section is completed, right? Then you have got the body section, which is the main part where whatever you write between body, that is a opening tag, and forward slash body, which is a closing tag. Okay, whatever you write in between this body and the forward slash body, okay, that is mentioned in the web page, right? So hope we recall the basic structure. Okay, so as we are writing an opening tag and a closing tag, what it is called as? It is nothing but the container tag. Okay, so yesterday I have taken you through the container tag, right? Once again, let us quickly look over what is a container tag. Most of the tags have an opening or a start tag, okay, and an end tag or closing tag. These are called as container tags, right? See, the example is written in like this: HTML, okay, within angular braces, okay, and again a closing tag within angular braces with a forward slash inside it, right? The end tag is written like the start tag, but with a forward slash inserted before the tag name. See, angular braces opened here, a forward slash is there, tag name mentioned, and angular braces closed, right? And the HTML, whatever tags we are writing, we can write it in small letters. Okay, actually, capitals were also accepted, but from HTML4 onwards, W3 consortium has stick to it. It is preferring to use lowercase, right? Okay, now we have got another type of tags which are called as empty tags. Okay, uh, along with container tags, we have got empty tags as well. And these empty tags are nothing but they have only a starting tag but not an ending tag. It has an open but no closing tag. So they are called as empty tags. Okay, and BR and HR are the empty tags available. Okay, so let us go through BR tag now. What is a BR tag? Why it is used? BR is nothing but a break tag. Okay, it is used for line breaks. Okay, it is used for line break. I've written one example for the same here. Okay, let me copy this code, right? Open the notepad and paste it here. Okay, so without BR tag first, actually I have inserted BR tag here, but I want to show you the difference, what it looks without a BR tag and what it looks with a BR tag in the output, right? So here a notepad I have opened, okay, and copied the code here, right? I have to save my file. Hope you remember how to save the file. The file has a file name followed by .html extension. So I'm giving the file name to be br.html. Okay, right. Let me save it. Okay, so I have saved it in the desktop. Now let me take you through the desktop here. Okay, so here, see, remember, it will be saved in the browser form. Okay, double click on it. Right, here is the content which is written in the body part, right? So let me take out the notepad where the code is written. See here, the code is mentioned here, but no BR tag is mentioned. Just normal body part where, okay, where normal inside the body part we have mentioned one text. Now let me write the BR tag here and save the file once again. Right, I have saved the file after inserting the BR tag. Now let me refresh the browser here. See, this is the refresh page. See, you can make out the difference. Now BR tag has been applied to the particular code. So the text is coming in two different lines. Means the line break is applicable after the my first web page. See here, my first web page where BR tag is mentioned after my first web page. Right? So hope you understood this. Okay, there is one more tag called HR tag. Okay, there is one more tag called HR tag, which is known as horizontal ruler. Okay, and this is used as a section separator. Means a horizontal line is inserted in the web browser, okay, across the web page, right? Means if two lines of text are written, then in between a single line is presented. So let me take you through an example for that also. See here, I have already written a code for HR tag also. Let me take a new file here, new, and paste it. Okay, see, after in the body part we will be mentioning this HR tag as well. Right here HR tag is mentioned. Now let me save the file by giving a file name hr.html. Okay, let me save it. Okay, now let us see where is this. Here HR tag is there. Double click on it and see here my first web page is here, then a line is there, horizontal line is there, then your remaining text is displayed. So this is how a HR tag and a BR tag will be mentioned in a HTML code. So both are called as empty tags. Once again, quickly, I'll read the definition for you. Some HTML tags does not have an end tag or a closing tag. They are called as empty tags. Okay, BR and HR. BR is used for line break and HR is used as a section separator. Hope you understood. Right. Now, proceeding further, there are certain other tags also available in HTML. Okay, so today we are going to talk about heading tags. What are these heading tags? Okay, whenever you want to display the text in different sizes, special sizes, then you make use of these heading tags. Okay, so HTML provides 6 different types of heading labels, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, in which H1 is the largest tag and H6 is the smallest tag. Okay, so here is an example of heading tag. Okay, HTML, here let me mention doc type. Okay, all right. Change the color of it as well. Okay, right. Then here an example to show the heading tag is written. Okay, whenever a heading tag is mentioned, here see in this heading tag is the title and in the body part we are mentioning the heading tag as well. It is also a container tag. Okay, you will write within angular braces H1 and you want whatever text you want, you can write here. Okay, once the text is written, you will be closing it. That is close tag. Angular braces /h1. Again, you close the angular brace. And you're writing h2 tag, h3 tag, all the 6 tags to show you how they will be reflected in a web page. And here what happens, once this particular document is executed, okay, so based on the levels, the output will be displayed. So whenever it is displaying the output, it displays something like this. My first web page, okay, my first web page. Again, gap will be given. Again, my first web page. Means a line will be given by the browser directly. Means a gap, a single line gap is given by the browser. Okay, that is before and after that heading. Okay, so let me copy this and let me just copy this example for you. Once again, we'll open a notepad. We will paste the same code here. Okay, so here save the file. Okay, head dot html. Okay, now let me open it in the browser for you. Here it is saved. Double click on it. See here, there is a single line space here. Then the first h1 is mentioned, that is head. Okay, heading tag. Then again a single line. Then again h2. Then again a single line gap, h3 is mentioned. Okay, again a single line gap, h4 is mentioned. Again a single line gap, h5 is mentioned. Again a single line gap, h6 is mentioned. As told you earlier, h1 is the biggest, largest one, and h6 is the smallest one to be displayed, right? So let us go back to the topic once again. So here, heading tags, what exactly they are doing? They are giving some special size of heading levels to the text. Okay, and HTML, what it is doing, it is providing us 6 different types of heading levels, which is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. h1 is the largest tag and h6 is the smallest tag. While displaying any heading, what the browser is doing, it adds one line before and one line after that particular heading, right? Moving further, see, this is the output of that web page, right? Now, coming to HTML paragraphs. What are these HTML paragraphs? What is their purpose here? Okay, so HTML paragraph is used to define a paragraph in a web page. Okay, they are defined by the P tag actually. So whenever you're mentioning a paragraph, you need to write P tag. Okay, in the Angular braces, you will mention P, okay, which will tell the browser that a new paragraph is beginning. Okay, it indicates the start of the new paragraph. It is also a container tag, means an opening tag and a closing tag is must. Okay, and here it will be mentioned in this manner, P as a opening tag and /P as a closing tag within Angular braces. Whenever you're writing any tags, keep in mind that all the tags are mentioned in Angular braces. If you will not keep an Angular brace, the browser will not detect that to be a tag. Okay, then here let me show you the example first. Here doc type, again my HTML root element started with the header information provided. Okay, here I am giving my title name as my first web page only here also, right? Under the body tag or inside the body tag, we will start the P tag, which is our paragraph tag. Okay, so here I started P. This is my first paragraph. Okay, I have closed the tag with a / P, right? Then again I have opened another paragraph. Okay, then I have written this is my second paragraph and I have closed the tag. Okay, that is /P, right? See, look my third paragraph here. Here what I have done, opened P tag. Okay, then the content what I have written has got so much of spaces in between, right? Look here, there is a lot of space here. Look here, added spaces 2. There is a long gap here. This paragraph, there is a break here. Okay, gap here, here a gap, 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 here a gap. That is, these are the spaces. But see how it displays in the web browsers. What the browser does, it ignores all the spaces. Okay, it ignores all the spaces and will display the text in a single line because all the spaces are considered as one single line. Okay, so let me copy this program for you or the code for you and copy it. Open the notepad, paste it. Okay, let me save the file with p.html. Save it. Okay, let us open the same in the browser. See, p tag is here. Double click on it. See, this is my first paragraph. This is my second paragraph. Okay, then see here. Look, all the spaces are ignored. Okay, and it is displaying side by side all the words. Right? So once again, let me show you the code. See here how the code looks like. See, particularly the third paragraph. See how it is written in the code, but how it is displayed in the web page. Right? So let me take you to the paragraph tag once again. Okay, so this paragraph tag defines or indicates the start of a new paragraph with P tag. Okay, they are defined by the P tag. Opening and closing tag are there, right? And if you put lot of spaces inside the HTML P tag, okay, browser removes the extra spaces and extra lines while displaying in the page. The browser counts number of spaces and lines as a single one. Hope you understood. Moving further, see here, this is the output of that particular program, right? Now, let me take you through the attributes of a paragraph element. Okay, so before discussing the paragraph attributes, let us discuss what are attributes first. Okay, so attributes are nothing but special words which provide some additional information about the elements. Okay, like as you saw now, in this particular output of the paragraph, the output is displayed from the left side, right? But I want my output to be displayed in the right side or in the center. Okay, I can do it through an attribute. Okay, so attributes are nothing but some special words which provides additional information about the elements, and they are written in double quotes. Okay, single quote is also acceptable, but usually we prefer double quotes. Okay, then always an attribute is specified in the start tag. Means whenever you're opening a tag, at that particular point only, this attribute should be specified or written. Okay, so let me explain you the attributes of a paragraph. They are center and right. By default, it is being displayed in the left side, right? So what does this center attribute of a paragraph does? It displays from the center of the web page. Whatever text you're typing in will be displayed from the center of the web page. Okay, and it is used along with the p tag only. That is your paragraph tag only. Okay, so right, see here is an example. Here and under the body tag, your paragraph tag is mentioned. So you'll open the curly brace, you'll write P, then you will write ALIGN. What you're doing, aligning the text here simply, right? So aligning of the text is equal to center, which is written in double quotes, right? Alignment, you're doing the text alignment where it should be displayed. So P align is equal to center. Okay, you'll close the angular brace, then you're writing your text, whatever to be displayed. This is my first paragraph. Again, you have closed your paragraph here with a closing tag, right? Another tag you have opened. So another tag means another paragraph you have mentioned here with a P tag. Okay, you wrote some text inside. This is my second paragraph and you have closed it. That is, you have put an end tag to it, right? Then you have completed your body section. Then you are done with your root element section. So let me copy this for you and show how it opens in a web page, right? See here. Let me save this for you. pc.html I'm giving because paragraph center, right? Okay, let me run the program for you. Here, see this is my first paragraph. Okay, in the previous code, what happened in the previous document, how it opens, see here, side by side it is there. So previous code, the output is like this. This is my first paragraph. But now see how it is displayed. Here it is being displayed from the center of the page. Okay, hope you understood the difference. Without alignment or without attribute, it will be starting from the left side. But when you assign or align, give any attribute to the paragraph, okay, then it changes, the output changes. So here for the paragraph, what we have done, the alignment is in the center. So the output is in the center, right? Okay, let me take you through another example. As we have saw the center, we have got right alignment also. Okay, what it does, it displays from the right of the web page. Whatever the text needs to be displayed, okay, it will display from the right of that. Okay, here simply what I will do, just change instead of center, okay, let me write it as RIGHT, right, and save the document with Control S or go to file, save. Okay, so open the browser now. Okay, just refresh it. See here, it started from the right side. Okay, right. So this is how the attributes of a paragraph work. Okay, so what is an attribute? Attribute is nothing but they are special words which provides additional information about the elements and written in double quotes, and it always starts with the start tag of the start tag only, right? Okay, hope you understood. Okay, now let me take you through the attributes of body tag. As we all know, the HTML tag, in the HTML, we are using a body tag which is very, very important, right? So inside the body tag, there are also certain attributes. So whatever content to be displayed is written in the body tag only, which is a container tag. Okay, so in the body tag, we have got certain attributes. Okay, so we have got the following attributes like text, which is the body text, and BG color, what is the background color of the web page, then background image and link attribute. Okay, so let us go through the attributes now. So what is this text? So this text selects the color of the body text. So whatever you are writing inside the body, okay, whatever text you're writing in text, you're writing inside the body, that text color can be changed with the help of this text. Okay, then BG color. What is this BG color now? This BG color is used to change the body color of the web page. Okay, that is the background color of the web page, like blue, green, red, etc. Any color you can choose. Okay, now I will take you through an example here. Let me copy this for you and paste it. Copy, paste in a notepad. Okay, see a small code I have written. Okay, see now, see the body section here. Usually we are writing body till here only, body. This part is not there actually, right? But now what I am doing, I have written this extra as extra to display the BG color as green and the text to be red. Means the body background color should be green, okay, and whatever text we are writing, that should be displayed in red color. Okay, so I have written my paragraph tag and a H1 tag I have mentioned, which is our heading tag H1, which displays in the largest, right? So I have given a name here, okay, name is Lakshmi, and a BR tag also I'm using here, line break tag, okay, and address I have given Niladri Bihar, lane 4, again a BR tag I have given for a line break, then the address Gunpur, again a BR tag, and I have closed this H1 tag here. Okay, so H1 tag is closed now. Okay, now let me see. bg.html, save it, right? Okay, let us see where it is. See here, the text is displayed in red and the body background is displayed in green color. See the code here. See, body BG color is equal to green, means background color is green and the text should be in red color. See, the text whatever is mentioned is in red color. Okay, hope you understood. Once again, let me take you through this. See, text, it selects the color of the body text. See here, body text color. Okay, then BG color, what it is doing, it is selecting the body color of the web page, like blue, green, red, etc. Any color you can choose. Okay, so this is the background color of the web page, right? Okay, so proceeding further, see, this is a output which I have already mentioned here. Okay, proceeding further, we have got link attributes now. What are these link attributes? HTML links are called as hyperlinks. See, while going through any web page, okay, you might be seeing different colors of words or different colors of lines are mentioned. When you take your mouse, so when you take the mouse to that particular word, what it does, it will show a hand type symbol. Means if you click on that, it will take you to some other page. Okay, these are called as hyperlinks. Okay, so HTML links are nothing but hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document or another web page. Okay, and how these links are used? With the help of anchor tag. Okay, these links are defined by using anchor tag. Again, here the anchor tag is also a container tag which has a start tag and an end tag. Okay, and it uses a href attribute. This anchor tag, what it is doing, it is using a href attribute, which means hyper reference. Okay, what it is doing, it will specify the destination address, which is called the URL, the address of another web page. Okay, so it uses href attribute, which means hyper reference. It specifies the destination address, that is the URL, uniform resource locator, the address of another web page. See, here is the syntax of it. Okay, within angular braces you will write a space href is equal to the URL, uniform resource locator, the address of another web page you will mention here. Okay, and here you will write my link, means whatever you're mentioning in the URL you will be writing here. Okay, and you will be closing the angular bracket. Okay, that is the anchor tag. Okay, let me take you through the example now. Copy, open a notepad, paste the same. Okay, save it. a.html. I gave the file name to be a.extension html. Okay, so see here, I've started my paragraph tag under the body tag. Click on, I've written click on. Okay, then open the angular bracket. A href is equal to, okay, with 2 forward slashes, www.javatpoint.com. Okay, with a single forward slash, I have within double quotes, I have written everything. Okay, close the angular bracket. Then what I want the Java T point to be linked, right? Then I have closed the angular bracket. I have closed my paragraph tag as well and the body tag. Okay, now let us see the output. See here, angular bracket is there. Let me double click on it. See here, click on and see, this is in blue color. If I click on it, if you have an internet connection active, it will take you to the Java T point web page, right? So thank you all for today. Remaining classes will continue. Thank you.